What's up people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhaskar. I hope you all are fine. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to add and manage pages on your website through WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. If you guys are planning to purchase domain name or web hosting service, I would recommend you domainracer.com. You can visit their website and can check the plans. Plans are really very affordable. They use Lightspeed technology and provide you pure SSD disk space. Also provide you free SSL certificate and 360-degree malware protection. Also provide you 7 plus strong security features like Immunify 360 and Immunify AV plus. Okay, the customer support is awesome and available round the clock 24 into 7. Server locations are UK, India, USA, Germany, France, Singapore, Canada, and many more. Using the free website builder tool, you can build or design your website without having that much of knowledge of website building and website designing. So let's get back into the topic. So this is our WordPress org website, and we are going to access localhost, then our project name, then WordPress admin. One thing you need to make sure that XAMPP server is started and the SQL is started if you want to access my admin and the WordPress dashboard, because you won't be able to do anything on local servers unless until and unless you start these Apache server and MySQL. Okay, so now I'm entering into dashboard. As soon as I started the server, you can see dashboard is loaded here. Okay, so this is our website, localhost wp-tut1. This is how it looks like. We have applied nav theme here. Okay, so now through dashboard, how you can add pages in your website. You can see pages option here. Click on all page to see all the available pages for your website. So I've clicked on all pages. Now you can see these two pages have already been created, but from these two pages you can see only sample page here. The privacy policy page is not here. Okay, so it works in background. So I'm going to simply delete these pages. How you can delete them? You can simply you can see option trash, edit. So through these options you can edit this page, and through trash you can trash this page, particular this page. If you want to apply same thing on multiple pages, then you need to apply action in bulk. So for example, there are many pages, I want to delete them. Simply click on title and then move to trash and then apply. This is how you can delete multiple pages at the same time. Now no page is available in our website. You can see this is our home page. This is home page of our website. Now we are going to add 3 pages one by one. So you can see add new option here. You can simply click on add new. Then it will give you an option to welcome to the editor. Simply click on next and get started. Okay, so this is how you can enter the name or the title of your page. So first of all, I'm going to add a home page. You can also add content of home page here, but as of now we are going to discuss about how to uh, add a page. So click on publish, again confirm. Now a home page has been added to your website. You can refresh it and you can see home page is available here. As soon as you click on home page, you will not be able to see any content apart from this name, because you have not yet entered any content here. So let's enter let's add more pages. Home page is done. Now I'm going to add another page with name of about us. Simply publish the page. You can also click on preview to preview the page, but there is nothing added in this page, so there's nothing to preview. Go back, refresh your website, and you can see about us option is also available. Now you can refresh and you will see about us is already here. Now one more page you can add with name contact us. every website every website has these three pages at least: home page, and one is about the website or about the business, and third page with information of contact. Okay, so this is how we created three pages in our website. As you can see, these are not in correct order. Home should be here, and you can adjust about us and contact us as per your need or requirement, as per your mind. We will going to do that through our menu option in next video. Okay, now let me tell you one more time how you can delete these pages. I'm refreshing. You can edit this page by simply clicking on edit. Okay, it will give you option to edit this home page, sorry, about page, and you can do the same with contact us and home page. Okay, to delete particular page, you can hover over the page and it will give you option to trash the page. To trash the page, simply click on trash page and the page will be disappeared or will be deleted from your website. You can see. And to delete or to apply function or to apply any action on bulk, simply click on simply select all the available pages and click on bulk actions. Then you can edit them in bulk and move them to trash in bulk. So I clicked on move to trash and I will apply. You can also see pages have already been deleted. This is how you can add, edit and delete the pages on your website. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and I hope you will practice these options after watching this video. Let's meet in next video. In next video I'll discuss about how to add and manage menus and how to set home, contact and about us page in correct order as per your need in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching and keep practicing.